Traveling becomes more memorable when you can capture clear photos and videos of the places you visit. A good camera makes a big difference, whether you want something small that fits in your pocket or a more advanced option with strong zoom. I have listed the best travel cameras that are reliable, easy to carry, and give you good image quality for your trips. Each option suits different needs, from casual travelers to those who want professional-level shots. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix ZS99. This is one of the best pocket-sized travel cameras you can buy. It packs in a powerful 24 to 720 mm Leica lens with a 30x zoom inside a compact body that easily fits in your pocket. This makes it perfect for travelers who want a lightweight camera but don't want to compromise on performance. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, this camera delivers sharp results. One of its biggest strengths is video quality. It can record 4K video at 30p, letting you relive your travel memories with stunning clarity. You can even capture 4K photos at 30 frames per second, ensuring you don't miss any fast-moving moment. For creative shots, there's also a high-speed 120 frames per second video mode that gives you smooth slow-motion footage. The tiltable 840K touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from different angles, and the USB Type-C charging ensures you can quickly power it up on the go. Sharing is also simple with built-in Bluetooth 5.0 and a dedicated send button that transfers photos directly to your phone. Overall, this is a versatile and compact choice. It's the best pick for travelers who want high zoom, 4K video, and portability in one affordable package. Number 4. Nikon Z5 II. This is the best full-frame travel camera for those who want professional quality in a mirrorless body. It comes with a 24.5 megapixel BSI CMOS FX format sensor paired with the X7 engine. This combination delivers high-resolution photos and fast shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second. It's great for capturing everything from portraits to fast-moving subjects like wildlife or city life. Autofocus is one of its standout features. The Z5 II can automatically detect 9 types of subjects including people, birds, cars, and even airplanes. Low-light performance is excellent too, thanks to its ability to focus down to -10 EV. Add in 7.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, and you get sharp results even when shooting handheld. The electronic viewfinder is bright and immersive, with a maximum brightness of 3000 nits, which is especially helpful outdoors. For storage, it has dual UHS-2 SD card slots, giving you flexibility and backup while traveling. The Z5 II also integrates with Nikon Imaging Cloud, letting you upload directly, update firmware, and even download picture profiles on the go. To make the deal even better, new buyers get a free 1-year Adobe Lightroom membership when registering their camera. All these features make this the best option for serious travelers who want professional performance in a relatively compact design. Number 3. GoPro Hero 13. This is the best action travel camera and is built for adventurers. It offers outstanding 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, delivering sharp and detailed footage even in fast-moving situations. Whether you're hiking, snorkeling, biking, or skiing, this camera captures it all in vibrant detail. This has always been known for durability, and the Hero 13 continues that tradition. It is waterproof, rugged, and ready for extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor travel. With the new HB series lenses, the image quality is improved with better clarity and color accuracy. This is a huge upgrade for creators who want their footage to look professional straight out of the camera. This also features a more powerful battery, which is essential for longer trips where charging may not always be possible. It stores footage on a microSD card and uses USB connectivity for fast transfers. Thanks to its compact size, you can mount it on a helmet, chest strap, or even carry it in your pocket, giving you shooting flexibility that bigger cameras can't offer. If your travel involves adventure and sports, this is the best camera for you. It's durable, compact, and designed to capture action like no other. Number 2. Sony Alpha A6400. This is the best hybrid travel camera because it works equally well for photos and videos. It uses a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, giving you sharp, high-quality images with excellent color reproduction. Paired with 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, the autofocus is both fast and accurate, covering a wide area of the frame. This makes it perfect for capturing both moving subjects and portraits. For continuous shooting, it delivers up to 11 frames per second, so you can freeze the perfect moment with ease. Video shooters will love its multiple modes, including time-lapse and slow/quick motion recording, without needing heavy post-processing. One of its biggest advantages is the tiltable LCD screen, which is very useful for vloggers and solo travelers. You can flip it to face forward, making it easier to record yourself while traveling. The compact body also makes it much lighter to carry compared to DSLRs, while still delivering professional results. Included accessories like the rechargeable battery, strap, and USB cable make it ready to use right away. Overall, this is the best choice for travelers who want a balanced camera that can handle photography and videography with equal ease. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. This earns the title of Best Overall Travel Camera because it combines performance, versatility, and ease of use. It features a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor with improved dual-pixel autofocus and eye detection AF, ensuring sharp images in all conditions. The ISO range of 100 to 6400 makes it capable of shooting in low-light settings like evening markets or dim cafes. This also offers an optical viewfinder with 95% coverage, giving you a traditional shooting experience that many photographers still prefer. Its 9-point autofocus system with AI Servo AF makes it reliable for tracking moving subjects, whether it's wildlife or street action. For video, it records full HD 1080p, which is perfect for most travel vloggers and casual filmmakers. Sharing your work is easy thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, which let you transfer photos directly to your smartphone. You can even turn it into a webcam with Canon's OS utility software, making it a versatile device beyond travel. With a maximum focal length of 300 mm, it offers solid zoom capabilities as well. This is an affordable DSLR that balances features and usability, making it the best overall choice for travelers who want professional quality results without a steep learning curve. Whether you're capturing quick snapshots on the go or aiming for professional-level shots, these 5 travel cameras offer the perfect balance of portability and performance. Each one is designed to make your journeys more memorable by helping you preserve every detail, from wide landscapes to close-up moments. To grab the best deals on all the cameras featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.